I welcome all you good people here. Let our people know that we're making fire here on country. Let them know. Got the fire sea, smoky signal. Let our people know that we are visitors.
So today here in Lockyer Valley, we're here with the traditional owners and also private land owners and councils and a mixture of different agencies with this region here, and it's a really beautiful day to demonstrate Indigenous fire management practices in this region, and it's something that's really needed on this country.
It's great to be involved here with Council to get that first burn on the ground, and it's great for our community to get involved in this so that we can be looking after the environment.
This is a bit of a workshop for community and Wirrinyah staff because we're looking to start doing cultural burning in the region as a service, and so we're working with Firesticks to train up, but it's also, raising awareness for community to understand what cultural burning is and seeing it as an option for land management in the region.
It reconnects us with the land, and it also rebuilds on that knowledge that we've, there's a big gap in knowledges in a lot of places, and it also empowers traditional owners to start, picking up part of that custodianship back on their country again as well.
Very much looking forward to how the regeneration is going to go. With this burning, it's about actually encouraging the next growth of seeds, stimulating them and actually getting that growth. So we're looking forward to seeing how it's going to go, and we can actually compare it to our grazing, which we're doing over the other side of the creek. So we'll see the difference as well between grazing the land and doing a cool burn.
When we look at the burning, Aboriginal burning practices, we're not just talking about fire management. We're talking about so much more than that. We're talking about, education. We're talking about agriculture. We're talking about, our biodiversity. We're talking about culture, Indigenous culture. It's very holistic. We're talking about the management of our river systems and so much more. And we're looking at opportunities around the green economy, healthy landscapes.
And before you know it, everybody's talking about solutions and things like that rather than identifying problems.
Going back over the generations and working out where we can burn, what times of the year to burn, what time to burn, that it's soft burns, that they're good for the environment, it doesn't hurt the fauna. So it's a great way to go back, learn from the First Nations people and educate our people and everybody, all the land owners, to get it right.
With the bushfires and wildfires that we've sort of seen in Australia, there's a lot of very real trauma that people have experienced through that, and I think this is a really key sort of thing that we're doing here in actually helping people heal from that trauma and understand that there is a goodness to the fire and a certain safety and a certain calm that comes with the right fire. So I think these sort of things are exactly what some people need to actually come and experience to sort of see that fire is our friend. We just need to make sure that we look after it and that we respect it.
It's just a really awesome opportunity for our people to, revive cultural burning as a land management practice and to share this journey with, the wider Lockyer Valley region. I see it as not just a land management practice and revival for country, but also reconciliation between Indigenous and non-Indigenous peoples in the region as well.